Today we're doing a simple install. All they are door guards. All I do is protect the inner door sill. Right here, on my last Jeep I had was the Gladiator. Right here on the edge, I'm hopping in and out of a lifted vehicle and started wearing through the paint and causing scratches, and I want to avoid that this time. For the basic research I've did, the rugged ridge door seal guards protect the most paint out there. I know a lot of other people usually maybe put some like vinyl or like some grip tape right here every once in a while, but I wanted something that was easily removable and adds a little bit of characteristic to your Jeep and personalization as well. It's a very simple install. They have two different models. They have it for the 4-door as well as a 2-door, and this will fit the Gladiator as well. Part numbers are right there. Very simple install. Probably take no more than 10-15 minutes. To get this paint surface prepped, I'm just going to be using Windex. My Windex bottle Chinga stopped working, so all you're going to do is just get the area clean. The reason you want to use Windex and stuff like that, because it has some chemicals in it that help get rid of any wax, because you want a good stick. You want it to stick well so it doesn't come loose. I know a lot of other people also, they'll wash this down with like Dawn dish soap and then wipe it down with some like rubbing alcohol or something like that. You just want to make sure you have good adhesion. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna get all the doors and seals right now, just so they're nice and dry by the time I come back. So if you look at this right here, it's labeled LH. Not sure if you guys can see that or not. It means left hand, as well as it has this little indentation right here, which fits around this little setup to hold on your fender. So we're gonna do a test fit to make sure it all looks good. So that's how it'll look like when it's all done. So now we're gonna pull out the red. We're gonna pull out the adhesive protection. All right. Try to get everything in place as much as you can. Just go through and press everything. Very simple, very straightforward. Very clean, very easy to do. Now we're gonna move on to the back. I've already cleaned this side. Again, this one says LH right here, so left-hand side. Let's do a simple test fit, see where you might like it. So just a small recap. Very easy install. Took no more than 15 minutes. Make sure you clean the surface. Wipe it down with some like Windex or rubbing alcohol. Try to remove any possibilities of wax or something like that, so the adhesive has a good place to stick. Provides good protection for your door seals, because again, on my Gladiator, right here on the edges, after getting in and out of it for about 2.5 years or so, paint started coming off and it didn't look that well. Also, when you're out off-roading in the snow, mud, whatever you do, not much traction, but it adds a little bit of extra traction just in case someone does happen to step on your door sill and they don't slip and fall and get hurt. We'll add a link to the description below of the door sill. They're not very expensive. I don't remember when I bought mine. It's been a while. But yeah, thank you for watching.